winds are blowing pretty good outside. Let's see what we got here. Wake up, lads. Yeah, we got 48, 47 knots of wind. That's about 50 something miles an hour. I'm gonna go down to the belly and see if I can add a switch so we can make the shark camera wake up and yeah, just generally not fall off. It's a good idea, right? I've got my life-saving equipment on, but I don't want to go down in these waves. Some big waves. Emergency locator beacon, I've got 2 of those on. Get my hood up, without blowing my hat off. Yeah, it's going to get really hard to hear me in just a second, so I'm not going to talk anymore. That is some serious wind. Thank God it's not cold though. Get this door kind of shut a little bit. And maybe we'll get some connectivity. Go check it out.